Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about how to install Intellij IDEA for Java developers. Intellij IDE is integrated development environment for developing computer software. This environment is the most intelligent Java IDE environment available for today. So let's start with downloading the file. So we can start with any web browser you like and type Intellij IDE, Intellij IDE, and search for this particular resource. And here you see download link. Press download, and you have to agree with JetBrains cookies policy. So you have a choice to download Ultimate version and have a free trial, or download Community and have a free open source version with Java, Groovy, Scala, and Android development. So for our learning purposes, will be enough to download Community. So press download. So downloading started right now. If you see, like, it's only 2 minutes left, and it's only 421 megabyte. So just need to wait until download will be completed. So after this, you can double click on this file to initiate installation process. And you will get this invitation, welcome to Intellij IDEA Community Edition. So please press next. Space required is about 911 megabytes, which is sufficient in my computer. And program folder will be, for destination is C, program files, JetBrains, Intellij IDEA Community Edition 2018. There is no reason to change destination folder. In the next window, you see you need to answer question regarding create desktop shortcut. So I will create a 64-bit launcher. I can create association with Java files. In this case, Java files will be automatically opened by Intellij IDEA, but since I'm using another product as well, I will skip this option and press next. It will be the start menu folder, JetBrains, and installation will start. Please wait until Intellij IDEA Community Edition is being installed. During the process of installation, when you have a time, you can check if you have Java development kit installed in your computer. So how to check the version of the Java installed in your computer? I would like to show you this in a couple of steps. So in order to check Java, we can press this main menu button. Type here cmd, which give you command prompt link. In a command prompt link, we can type here Java blank minus version and press enter. So after pressing enter, you see that you have Java version 1.8, and that's actually what you need for in this case for our purposes. So we need Java development kit pre-installed for your computer before using Intellij. All right. So go back to our installation. So you see installation completed. Intellij Community Edition has been installed on your computer. Click Finish to close setup. But before this, we will select Run Intellij Community Edition because we need to run this and create the first program. So press Finish. So you do not need to import any settings. Press OK. So you need to read JetBrains privacy policy and agree with this. Accept. And finally, you need to do some customization for Intellij. So your team's default plugins will be Darkula, or you need to Intellij plugin. I don't actually like to be On the black screen, I like to be on the white background, so I will select Intelligent White, but feel free to select dark color if you want. So next plugin is you can tune idea to your task. You can build some tools to do some version controls, some test tools like JUnit test, use Swing library for graphics, Android development and others. So we do not choose any of those plugins yet. We just use default version. They will disable at this point because we're not going to use them right now for Java, right? So please press next. We have a few plugins in our repository that most users like to download. So we are not going to use them. So we don't select any of those. Start using IntelliJ. And you see we have the most recent IntelliJ today, Community 2018.2. And JetBrains, actually this is a company that owns IntelliJ. So let's start new project. Create new project here. And then we see the some loading templates. So first of all, we're going to create a Java program in this course. So we have to select a Java, which is selected by default, and you have to find a project SDK. So project SDK is something that you need to tell IntelliJ where is your previous Java installed, Java SDK installed. So normally it's done by using the following directory path: C, program files, Java, and Java SDK this is the folder, home directory for JDK, and this is a JDK 1.8 that we just have Java installed in our computer. We just checked recently. So press OK. If this path is not found, you have to go and download JDK, which is maybe required. Go online and download a respectful package for your program. But in my case, I don't need to press download. It's already there. Press next. So we need to, we can create project from template, command line application, and simple Java application that include a class with a main method will be included. Next. So the first project normally is hello. So this is where your project will be sitting, and press finish. Yeah, so this is a relatively easy task. Welcome to Intellij IDEA 2018. Close the tips, and you have the first program with your code. So the simplest way to start the project is to run this basic application main Java, and on the right side you see this green triangle. It's saying run main. So press this button. So as a result, you see your code and you see process finish with execute 0, which is successful completion. So please expand the hello folder of the project and find CRC source folder for the source, and company, this is the name of the package. Basically this is folder inside folder, and then we'll click main. So let's create some output to make sure that you have to write some code and output some information. System.out.println hello from Intellij IDEA. I make a typo here. So you don't need to import the library because system out system library is already there. So run again, and this time it will be much faster. And you see result. That will be the message that you printed from your program in the run window. So we're done with the basic installation of Intellij and running the first hello program. So we want to close current project hello file. Close project means close current project. And the project that you recently seen will be on the left panel. So right now you want to create new project. So you create new project from here. And in this new project you will do the same things again. You'll create a new. You can create project from template again. Make your own name here again. Basic. Finish. And your project will be created this time very soon. It's ready right now, and in the source folder in the company package you have a main method, and all project will be saved in the left panel of the Intellij. Okay, so it was a short video how to install Intellij IDEA, the recent version, and how to create and run a new project. Thanks a lot.